Today evening, under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, we had a VC meeting with the concerned officers, including Chief Secretary, and taking into consideration the issue of the abnormal hike in prices of diesel and petrol. Then the government has decided that the price of diesels and petrol will be reduced to 2 rupees. 2 rupees with effect from 8 midnight. Monday midnight, notification will come out and it will reduce by 2 rupees per litre, both diesel and petrol. Number two, this decision taken under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, comparing also the price that has increased in Meghalaya, which is even little higher than Assam. So therefore, this decision